Alright, getting ready for our last point count today. So this one we'll definitely call suburban. I've moved to the front of the house, and this is just like front yard and my neighbor's house and things like that. And there's a bit more road noise over here. So suburban. It's still 7 May 2021. Start time now on the Darth Vader machine is about 8:26 a.m. Or that would be 0826 hours CDT if we wanted to be super official about it. There's some cardinals, tuft titmouse. There are a few dickcissels flying over. You might not pick that up on the video, but it's just a short little call like eh. So they're not singing, but they do give this characteristic flight call that once you learn, you'll find them all over the place. So I'll probably get one of those, and you probably won't hear it, but that's okay. And again, we'll do 1 minute time increments for the count. And beginning now. That's the first time band just about done, so now we're in minute 2 or time band number middle one. And that's the second time band, and now we're in the third. There's a bird over there on my mailbox. Just flew out from that perch, grabbed an insect, and went back. That's just about going to wrap it up for our time band. So let's see if you got any of these species. So northern cardinal, I got 3 of them at least. There was a flyover dickcissel, blue jay off in the distance, Swainson's thrush, didn't sing, gave a little call. Red-bellied woodpecker behind me called in the first time band. Brr, brr. When I turned the camera around like that, at one point there was ruby-throated hummingbird. There's probably 2 of them behind me because they sounded kind of excitable. And let's see, you probably wouldn't have gotten this one because he didn't make a sound or anything, but there was an orange crown warbler that flew right in front of me. And then that bird that was over there on the mailbox was eastern phoebe. And then right at the end, tufted titmouse.